What is going on, YouTube? It is Hemi Boy 390. Well, y'all already know who I am, aka Derek. You know, I'm just coming from the mall. Y'all can hear that brake squeal right there. Can't y'all? Can't wait to get them brake pads switched out. But anyways, y'all, I'm on my way from the mall right now. I had to pick up, you know, some little advertisement right there for the Tahoe. You know what I'm saying? So be riding around in the Tahoe, you know, when I'm not in the Charger, and people know who I am. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I got going on right now. I don't know where I'm gonna take this video at today, even if I finish it today, because you know I'm just in my little grind mode right now. I want to film something, so I'm out here filming. Yeah, man, I can't wait to get this damn light fixed on here, man. I keep telling myself I'm gonna go get it fixed, but I just never. I don't even be really worried about it too much, but it's gonna get fixed. But anyways, y'all, yeah, man, this thing gonna look good on the side of the Tahoe. I might put it on today. I got a lot to do today. I got a lot of grass to cut, so if I get to it, I'll show y'all what it looked like. I know y'all don't like that Tahoe content, so I'm gonna just show y'all what that looked like after I install it, and then, you know, see where the video takes us. You know, I'll check in with y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, so you know when I say we brand building, we be brand building. You know what I'm saying? Look at that right there. Shout out to my guy Tane. Man, he really I mean, it's a logo, but he came through with this one. I wouldn't have thought about this ever, putting my name on it like this. But he came through for me. And you see this dirty ass truck, man. I for real life ain't washed this truck in like 2 months. I swear it's been a long time since I washed it. You know, we can't drive no Fords. You gotta drive Chevys, you know what I'm saying? But you see how dirty this mug is. I'm probably gonna get it all cleaned up and ready to go. You know, cause now I can drive it every day if I wanted to. It ain't got no air in it yet. I'm gonna get some air put in it. It just need to be charged or something. But you know, yeah, I think I'm gonna just do that and then start driving this pig a little bit more. Cause I don't really like driving this to work, because there's been a couple times when there's been people who like to sit on it and take pictures and do all kinds of type of crazy stuff. The other day, my boy, he called me out there because he was like, man, there's about 4 people surrounding your car. You know, they look suspicious. And I walked out there and they looked like they was up to no good. So it's just people, they don't know how to respect your stuff. Leave it alone, not touch it when it's just sitting there, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna try not to be driving this to work all the time. But of course, when it's hot outside and I ain't got no air in my truck, you know what I'm saying, I ain't really got no choice, because I ain't nobody trying to be riding around in 90 degrees with no air in they shit. So I'm gonna get that done, and then man, I don't know if you know, I ain't even gonna worry about that one right now. I'm gonna just focus on the Charger right now, man, because like I said, I got a lot of heat playing. In my last video, I asked y'all to go ahead and tell me what color y'all like. It was like 2 people. They said that liquid copper. I like the liquid copper. The only thing with that is, I don't know if it's gonna. It looked like cinnamon stick to me. I like cinnamon stick. I don't know if it's gonna go with what I'm trying to do. Now that I thought about it a little bit more, so I'm gonna go. Well, when I go to the Rap Guy, it's gonna be an orange of some sort, one of those that you've seen. When I go to him, I'm gonna see how, you know, if it'll make sense, if it can be put together and look good still. But yeah, y'all, we all about brand building. Now I'm finna go cut some more grass. I got loaded lawnmower up into my Tahoe. Stole my grandma's last night. You know, one thing, I cannot get these back seats to fold down. I don't know what it is. If any of you guys own a Tahoe, let me know how you get these back seats down, because I didn't try so hard. I tried everything to get them down, but they just won't budge. It's like they stuck. You know what I'm saying? I keep trying to just pull it down. It's like it's stuck. I read somebody said to fucking oil this shit up or something, but even oil in it, I don't see it moving. I don't know, man. Y'all chime in, let me know how I can get them folded down, if they even fold down. I don't know. I think this was a police Tahoe before, so I don't know if they did something to the seats to where they don't need to fold down, or if they did anything, because they got police lights over it, and the headlights and shit, and the tail lights. The aftermarket ones, they don't really, with the aftermarket, it don't really work. Especially the headlights. The headlights don't work no more. They used to flash like the police lights, but they don't anymore. I don't know what it is, if I blew a fuse or something. It ain't really important, so I ain't even gonna really waste my time trying to diagnose that. But yeah, man, I'm gonna stop rambling right now. I'm gonna go over here, cut this grass, and I'm gonna finish this video off in a little bit. Alright, YouTube, I am back. This is day 2 of the video. If you focus a little bit, day 2 of the video. Yesterday I ain't really end up doing nothing, so I'm gonna just do it today. You feel me? You see, my girl, I just went and washed her, got her all clean, man. Cause if you know, if you got a white car, this mother is hard to keep clean, man. I tell you. That's kind of one of my things, which brings us to the topic of today's video. I'm gonna be giving y'all a nice little, it's been 1 month now since I had the Scatpack. Give you my nice little 1 month review on it, how I feel about it. Was it worth it to upgrade from the 5.7? Was it worth it to trade my other car in that I love so much in for this one? Stay tuned for the next clip. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be giving you a nice little review on my 2018 Scatpack. I've had it for a month now, so I'm going to give you my thoughts on it so far. Walk around here, get a nice little view of the car. Can't really get too much of a view, but I'm going to give it to you just like this. So, my review on this car is absolutely amazing. 6.4 liter, plenty of power. It's just one of those cars that, you get, when you get it, it's like you love it. You don't want to get rid of it. But there's a few things also that I want to go over. One thing, I remember a lot of people saying, if you got a 5.7 already, don't go for the 6.4. You might as well go for the Hellcat, because you're going to get used to the power of the Scatpack pretty quickly. Me, right now, I'm kind of used to it, and I can see why they say, hey, you should just get a Hellcat if you're going to upgrade from anything like that, because you do get used to the power. It's still fun to drive, don't get me wrong, but you get used to the power and you'd be like, man, I want a Hellcat now. Me, personally, I'm not going to go get a Hellcat. I'm just going to work with this, you know what I'm saying, because that Hellcat, that's a little bit too much money for me right now, you know what I'm saying. But before we get into it, I'm going to just tell you guys this. If you into these cars and you looking to get like a V8 or something, like you got an SXT or a GT or something like that, and you looking to upgrade, let's say you want to upgrade to a 5.7, I would say skip the 5.7 and go straight to the 6.4 if you can afford it, because like I said, you're gonna get used to that power of the 5.7 very quickly, because it's not, I don't mean to diss on 5.7 guys now or anything, but there's not much difference in power from the SXT to the 5.7. It's probably like 50 or so horsepower. Don't quote me on that. Don't roast me or nothing, like you know what I'm saying, because I'm just saying like what I feel, because I've driven both, so I kind of can get the idea. Yeah, just jump right into a Scatpack if you can afford it. If not, you can go to the 5.7, and you can eventually upgrade. But if you can afford it, I would just say just go ahead and get the 6.4. But yeah, man. Now, for my month of having it, I've had a lot of fun. Tank is very rarely on full. You know what I'm saying? Because about every 2 or 3 days, I'm at the gas station. But I've driven this car, I have it a month right now. I put about 2,000 miles on it already. So you know I'm loving it, I'm enjoying this car. You know, it's got 17,100 or 200, something like that, miles on the car right now. I bought it with 15,400, something like that. So almost about 2,000 miles on the car. And I can say right now that I got the feel of it. You know, I know that I can know the power. I know its strengths and I know its weaknesses. Yeah, it's a very amazing car. I can tell you, if you are looking to get in the car and say, you know, get 20 miles a gallon, it's possible, but it's not gonna happen if you just riding around the city. Right now I get 12 miles a gallon, which, I mean, I didn't buy the car for miles per gallon, you know what I'm saying? We got this right here. If I want to get in and be in the eco mode, you know, I also got the Tahoe out there. So owning big 2 V8s is, you know, kind of, it sucks. But it's fun at the same time. But it's good to also have something like this you can get in when you don't want to fill up all the time, you know what I'm saying? So, like, if you're looking for gas mileage, this is not the car for you. Two, the way that this car is spec'd out, it's like the perfect for everyday driving. If you want to daily drive, I don't daily drive mine. Right now I'm currently daily driving it only because I don't have air in my Tahoe and it's been 80, 90 degrees outside. So this has air in it, obviously. So it's good for daily driving. It's very comfortable. I've been to Chicago and back. Not that that's a big driving thing. It's probably about 45 minutes away, but I think that's the farthest I've been. But it's comfortable. You know, you can sit. I drive around Chicago with the guys long periods of time, and you know, I'm still comfortable. When it's hot, especially with the cool seats, air-conditioned seats on my booty, you know what I'm saying, getting y'all nice and cool. But yeah, so far the car has been amazing. I haven't had any issues other than a couple that I have mentioned in a past video, which is the control arm or something on this tire or this wheel over here, and I got new brake pad or power stop brakes, brake pads or whatever it is, getting put on Tuesday. So stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna try to get in there and I'm gonna film if I don't end up dropping it off, because I do got a lot of stuff to do Tuesday. So yeah, I got that. That's gonna solve the brake squealing issue. And then like I said before, when I get it lowered, I'm gonna wait to get that tie rod or whatever it is on there that's clunking on the wheel. That's the only thing that they said was kind of iffy, just so I can get an alignment all in one and not have to do it 2 or 3 times, you know, just to get it right. So only 2 issues that I had so far. Other than that, man, it's just an amazing car. I think you guys, if you are in the market for a Scatpack 392, definitely go get one. Alright guys, so one more thing that I want to add to that is the exhaust. I love the exhaust. I still want a little bit more louder. It's pretty loud for stock that I believe is stock. I'm gonna find that out when I put it on the rack, and probably when I go get my brakes done, when they put it on the rack, I'm gonna see if the mufflers are still there, because if you can hear it, I'm gonna start it up for y'all. It sounds like it has a mid-muffler delete or something done under there. I don't know if it's a muffler, like I said before. I don't know if it's a muffler or what it is, but I've driven in a few people's cars that have mid-muffler deletes, and I know this isn't a mid-muffler delete, so I don't know if it's just a performance muffler that he put on here or what it is. I'm gonna figure it out, but it sounds good for, you know, what I think is stock. Still gonna make it louder, obviously, but you know, that's one of the things. It doesn't drone or anything. It's not like real loud in the cabin, so it's just perfect, you know. Even for long drives, you don't really notice it. But one thing that I am gonna say that I don't like, or that I kind of regret about this car, is getting white. Cause look at this over here. And no matter if I wash it, I get home and it's dirty still. And it you know, and I know that comes with every car, but when I had the gray car, I ain't washed that mug in like a week or two, and it still looked clean. I mean, it didn't show as much dirt, obviously, but I like the look of a white car, but it's just a pain in the butt to keep clean. That's why I want to get it paint corrected and then ceramic coated, so I don't have to deal with that. I could just spray it off and it'll be good. That's gonna be coming soon. I'm gonna make a video about that whenever I decide to do that. Yeah, man. But anyway, that's gonna be it for today's video. Got a lot of things planned. Got some mods coming for this thing. Coming real soon. It's gonna liven up the back end of the car a little bit. So we might got some that's gonna liven up the front end of the car too as well. Y'all just gotta stay tuned. So if you're watching this video to the end, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you leave a comment on what you think of the advertising on this and the Tahoe over there that was earlier in the video. And also make sure you share this video with your friends, your family, your girl, your boyfriend, anybody who's watching this. Yeah, man, let's make it happen, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.